how pink that is in the inside.
Of salt and pepper. Let's give it a shot. Hey guys, sorry it's been a while. My old apartment burned down, so I've been taking a break, kind of getting stuff back together. Surprisingly, I didn't have anything to do with it. My cooking was not the culprit. So, you don't want to hear more about that. Let's get back to the cooking. I'm making Bulgarian sausages today. So first step, this is pork and beef combined. So got a pound of pork sausage, a pound of ground beef. You can do pork sausage or ground pork, it's basically the same thing. Sausage just has like various herbs and spices added to it. So if you want it to be like pure and add your own spices and stuff, you can just get ground pork instead of sausage. But I'm gonna do 1 pound of the pork sausage to about a third of a pound of the ground beef. Am I gonna measure that? No. All right, so I get a large mixing bowl, all the pork, just dump that in. And then as for the ground beef, I'm gonna get about a third of that. You just tear it off with your hand. Yeah, I'll say that's a third. Toss that in. And now you're gonna make the most beautiful sound with your hands. Can I get that in the mic? Yeah, it's nice ambiance. You just wanna mix this until it's like thoroughly combined. Then you're gonna add your other ingredients to the sausages. Voila, mystery meat. You're gonna add quite a bit of salt and pepper. You know, you want a good amount of salt and pepper because that's where the flavor starts pretty much in everything. Now here's where things get interesting and Bulgarian, I suppose. You're gonna add about a teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 egg. Hey, no shell. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of beer. Now, which one should you use? That's easy. Whichever you want to do this with. And now, you're gonna have to get your hands really messy. Ooh. Oh, this sound is way better than last time. So the idea behind the egg is gonna help this all like hold together. I think the beer is gonna help it stay moist. You know, we won't have dry sausages. I think the liquid will also help it kind of cook through in the middle. Since we're dealing with ground meat, we can't have it be raw at all in the middle. If you ever had cevapi, this is kind of similar idea to that. You know, it's like a Serbian, Croatian, Bosnian thing. I'm afraid to call it any one person's thing, because in the other words, everybody else will get mad. So now we have these gorgeous red sea cucumbers. YouTube's family friendly right now, I guess, so I'm not gonna say what I thought, but now I'm just gonna leave these to the side while I prepare the other sides of the kebapche. I'm gonna slice up an onion, make it real thin, and we're gonna fry that in the leftover fat that this leaves, and we're gonna do some French fries. So, 1 onion, slice it. Voila, perfect little onion ribbons. Behold, me peeling a potato. So it didn't record when I thought it did. I just added a little bit of butter, threw in the kebapche, and I'm gonna start on the French fries while that's cooking. Just make sure you turn this every couple minutes, make sure you're getting it evenly browned on all sides.
As you can see, here's our kebapche. It might look pretty dark, but I think it's still probably gonna be pink in the middle. But we're gonna start on the French fries now. Put the fries in regular room temp oil, and then you turn it on medium and wait until they're done. And it's not as great as like the fry twice method and all that jazz, but it does leave you making more French fries, and I think it's a pretty good thing. So just to give you a better idea what I was just talking about, you see how dark this is on the outside, you think it's done on the middle, right? Nope. Look how pink that is on the inside. It's so completely raw.
While finishing up these last two kebapche, I'm just gonna add the onions in. The onions are just gonna soak up all that juice. It's gonna be so good. Nice little fry. While you're doing that, watch to make sure the fries starting to crisp up. Once you see that golden brown, you can take them out and transfer them onto a plate and napkin.
Alright, so our last kebapche are almost done. You can see how dark these onions are getting, absorbing all that like beer and cumin flavor. It's gonna be awesome. And look at that. Just like a perfect color. You also want to salt them as soon as you take them out because the oil helps it stick to the fry. And it's like it's like chewy, you know, it's kind of like a steak fry. It's not like very crisp, but it's a French fry, you know? So here's the finished product. No sauces or condiments or anything.
You can add like a slice of cheese onto the French fries while they're still hot, or you can get like a tzatziki sauce for the kebapche. But either way, it's going to be delicious. And it's time for the taste test. Let's give it a shot. That's so moist. Like thanks to the beer and stuff. Like even if you like completely char the outside, you think, it's gonna suck. No, it's still so juicy and moist on the inside. It's fantastic. The onions. Oh, it's so good together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh. Like, comment, and subscribe if you don't want my house to burn down again. I'd appreciate it.